All right, here we are. 4619. It's raining, but I wanted to take a little video tour. Gorgeous house. Love the space that's on the right-hand side. 4619 Forest Creek Trail. They just repainted all of the exterior and did all brand new landscaping and pavers in the front area here. It's so beautiful. Lots of space on either side of the house, and that's what's kind of a nice feature, not butted up right next to another one. Another house, and then over there, they're actually snowbirds, so there's nobody on that one side for most of the time. And of course, my house is only 2 houses away. So gorgeous, very well maintained. Put my umbrella down. Here we go. So when you walk in, you immediately notice the beautiful crown molding that's around here in the foyer area. They just redid all the flooring in there, in the great room. Beautiful light fixtures. And then when you first walk in, you have this, it's a split floor plan, so you have the 2 bedrooms on one side. So this is one of the guest bedrooms. There's plantation shutters throughout, which is really great. Nice upgrade. And then they have can lighting throughout too. This was actually a model home of Neil, so they really went all out with all of the upgrades in here, aside from all the ones that they've added too. Guest bathroom. And this is one of the bigger spare bedrooms. So beautiful. So pretty. I love these things too. I don't know. They've been in. I've been wanting to get one of those for my house. Okay. Yeah, this is the laundry. I'll show you. Now this is a pantry here with lots of storage. Again, this is the Blue Sky 2 model. Lots of storage in the front pantry or the front closet. And you have laundry. Okay. Beautiful beadboard work, chair rail there. And then this is the amazing great room area. So again, they have shiplap throughout here. Really nice. And then you have, I just love that beadboard and chair rail in the back there too. Nice little shelf. Just another day in paradise. And then the dining area, beautiful mirrored wall, and you even have a tray ceiling in here with the shiplap and crown molding. Kitchen, you have the upgraded white cabinets with the staggered top crown molding. I believe their appliances are fairly newer too. All these can lightings, those are upgrades as well. Then you have plantation shutters in that kitchenette. And of course, we will go into the pool area. It's raining right now, but it is so beautiful. They just resurfaced everything, redid the entire pool area. So you have the master. You also have the tray ceilings with the can lighting. Those are upgrades as well as the crown molding. Really big and spacious. Then you have smaller closets here for him. I believe they have, yeah, smaller. This is the skinnier closet. She did redo the walk-in closet. Really beautiful. Has all these built-ins. She just had someone do this. Built-ins even with even for your shoes and even for your purses. It's so beautiful. An area for hanging your dresses with lights and all that space up top for storage. Right, and then the master bath, dual sinks, stand-up shower, really pretty. Hey guys. All right. And then this is actually what's really nice. They had this built is an actual linen closet. So really nice because this model does not come with a linen closet. So they actually had someone come in, a contractor come in and actually build them a linen closet. So that's a really nice upgrade. And again, these newer flooring, new floors throughout. And then there's even like these nice tinted, the windows on the back are all tinted for the sun because you do have sunset every night back here, which is beautiful. So in your pool, you'll have a gorgeous sunset every night. So I'll go show you the pool area, even though it's raining, just because it's so pretty. Even love this like very cute decal on the window, on the door. So this is honestly the best part, in my opinion, is this gorgeous pool. It's like your own little tropical oasis. So they just redid the entire pool area and all the rocked area. Redid the entire, see they have waterfalls. All of the inside of the pool there is Pebble Tech. And they have all these extra upgrades that they did. It's just such a relaxing space. And again, you really have almost nobody over there right now. And then you have this privacy, and then you have the beautiful pond that's back there with like a lot of wildlife. The landscaping back here is so mature. They have gorgeous, it's just all tropical landscaping on the outside that I'll show you later. But wow, this is just a beautiful home. So pretty. You see it's, whoops, Pebble Tech flooring. Nicely updated. And then the other space I'm going to show you. Hold on. Hang on a second. Gotta take two hands to open this. Okay. And I'm going to show you the den. So this is 3 bedrooms and a den. It's a little over 2,100 square feet. So let me go and get them to step out. Can I get the den real fast?
Yeah.
Okay. But how pretty is this?
Turn the TV off.
It's fine.
Okay.
I'm recording right now, so. Pretty, pretty. And then this is the den. It's so nice because it could be also a 4th bedroom if you needed it, but a lot of people use it for an office, or like they have it set up as a man cave, which I would totally suggest that. So you have an office and a man cave, and of course, nice, big, huge space here. Move-in ready. Nothing you need to do here. I mean, it's completely updated. Beautiful. Okay. And then the garage, I'll have to, let's probably quickly show you the garage. They have built-in shelving in here, which is really nice. Lots of room for space. And then there's even an area back there where you can do storage. All this extra storage is so nice. Okay. So nice. Talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.